Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have solved a interesting easy exponential math problem. 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power x is equal to 64. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem? So at this moment, first of all, our math solution. Here 8 to the power x is common, so if I take 8 to the power x is common, so these divide this, it will be 1, plus this divide this, it is 1, is equal to 64. Now here 8 to the power x times 1 plus 1, it will be 2, is equal to 64. Now I divide both sides by 2, so 8 to the power x times 2 over 2 is equal to 64 divide 2. Now these two cancel out. We'll find out 8 to the power x is equal to 64 divided 2, it will be 32. Now 8 to the power x is equal to 32. X is equal to what? How to solve this exponential expression, exponential math equation? Now here 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. You know that 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 8, and whole to the power x, and it is 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5, it will be 32. Now here 2 to the power 3x is equal to 2 to the power 5. According to exponential formula, 3 times x, it will be 3x. You know that this formula, it will be a to the power and bracket power is m, it will be a to the power and m. Now you know that a to the power r is equal to a to the power q. Here is base is same, exponent is equal, so r is equal to q. So if I apply this formula here, so it will be 3x is equal to 5. Now if I divide both sides by 3, this is 3, this 3 cancel out. We'll find out x is equal to 5 over 3. This is our final answer in this exponential maths problem. Now let's verify our question. 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power x is equal to 64. So here is x is equal to 5 over 3. Is it right? Let's check out our question. 8 to the power x. So 8 to the power x, it will be 5 over 3 plus 8 to the power 5 over 3 is equal to 64. Now 8 to the power 5 over 3, it will be 2 to the power 3 bracket power is 5 over 3 plus 2 to the power 3 bracket 5 over 3 is equal to 64. Now these three cancel out. How? You know that this time this, it will be 2 to the power 3 times 5 over 3 plus 2 to the power 3 times 5 over 3 is equal to 64. This cancel out, this cancel out. We'll find out it will be 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 is equal to 64. But you know that 2 to the power 5, it will be 32, and here is 32 is equal to 64. This plus this is 64. So left hand side and right hand side, both side is equal. So x is equal to 5 over 3. This is our right answer in this exponential math problem. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.